Hello everyone, I hope you're well. Let's start with another video using financial market strategies. Okay, I will start by making the zones. So, taking advantage of the fact that entry could from there, the criteria is Stochastic indicator, which many people use and that you get to use it with that. And news tells me not to use indicator anymore, so I'm using this Stochastic leader. Alright, with 14, 3, and 3. Simple movements with that. Okay, Heikin Ashi candle and 30 seconds on time frame. So the amount for 4, we're gonna start with 22 and 1 minute expiration time. That's how it is working. I'm going to start with half right with everything because it fails. Yes, I still have half left, right, and I can try again. So let's try to do this. So let's wait for that, guys. The criteria is as follow as I explained in another video. I have to wait for the video. Click to follow below on that. Okay, and I can try it again. Let's wait for that. Look at this, guys. So I'm going to wait for the point on 8. Well, the indicator shows me that it has fallen below. On that, candles appear, give me an entry, so I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for the entry, and when I get it, I will take and then explain it for you. Okay. So, all right. So we got the downtrend. I enter on that, even though I enter late. Did you notice that the price jumping? The candles just jumped right here from there. And the entries give me the high, but it's dropped very quickly in the second. From here, by the way, I'm ready to position. Okay, let's hope that gap, that jump in the price doesn't affect my trade. I hope so. I see that total is starting to draw there, but I'm going to enter again. Look at that. Okay, let's click on this. A second one, and that position with the other part, because I see that, well, the first entry I have a bad entry point and could lose the entry, I could be doing well. Second, well, the other one is the one that give me that no. The ideal entry is already started to draw. So I'm going to wait and see how the first is turn out in the entry point because it's giving me the fail. But I'll wait for the second one. All right, and look at that. We just lose this one as I said for you. So we got 25 seconds for the second one. Let's wait for that. And position 1 for that, guys. The entry point was correct, and we got $4. I'm getting the win, and the important thing is not use all the balance. I lost the first trade, no big deal, but I just recovered that in the second one. So that's pretty good, almost back the initial amount. So the trades are ready to win. Okay, you just perform that, and let's prepare for the other one. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Okay, $4 for that. Let's try to recover it and do this together, you guys. Let's wait for a good position on it. Okay. So what is the criteria right here, guys? Is start to draw in here. That it could always be here, but the problem is that it's very high. And could get here quickly and then fall. I'm going to look for an entry when I have it and to take it. And look at that. We got a downtrend again. You're getting this. Look at this Stochastic leader at this point. It's already starting to go down. So that is the criteria that I need to pay attention. Okay. I have a low entry here on that. On Euro DBP. This is almost as I was making this. Since it is falling below, 2 or 3 candles appear. I am the maximum. The price doesn't go beyond that. And having interesting confidence in the analysis, both in the price actions is good indicator strategy with economic candles. All right. Look at that. Why didn't it happen? I waited for that, guys. It's because I look at the entry I waited, and that's happened, and gave me the signal. And look at this. We got a win again on that, $75 in the total of profits on that. So we got a good amount, 76. I'm going to trade the last trade, guys. Let's look for another easy entry. This criteria many people ask is I always enter the downside. That's what I get it. If considered an upside that meets my expectation, I would enter there, right? But for now, it's if it's go down, when you go short and I'll look for another pair. When I have a good entry, I take and explain it. Okay, I have a short entry on that right here. Say it up JPY. Well, the entry point is quite low. As the same position. Look at this stochastic leader just past my entry point on there. And the resistance has the price is trying to break through that. Well, here axis is come back. Try to break through, but look, it stays below. So the resistance zone is activated. That is, it's never break through, the price should go down. Theoretically, no. Here's this watching. I always give them an entry on that. Okay, but it's looked like it's already leave me. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Guys, the problem is that, I mean, with this one, it's a counter trend, but no, if it is because it's this one. The price never breaks, okay? We gotta revert on that. It's just respect the downtrend. That's good. Look at that. We gotta win again. $139, $104 in total in my account. I think I entered 30 seconds late for that. Well, the positions give me that, but it's good. There are 2 or 3 candles are more or less medium sized. The second candle is entry if that is small because it would be for 1 or 3 of candle. Why? Because if they are small and 30 candles cancels everything. This avoids a false entry. Is that also the way looking at it well? That's all for this video, guys. I started out losing. I started with 44, but now I have $104 in the total. I lost my first entry seconds. We got a win, and the third was a win. That's as good. I made almost 100. I invite you to like the video, to share this with your friends, like it and that, and leave your comments. See you in the live session, guys. Bye-bye.